Hello, my name is Daniel Phillips. I am the Arkansas State Surveyor, and today I want to show you how to use the Explorer app on an iPhone to view the same survey data you can view on the Surveyor GLO map. Let's get started. Okay, you'll start by opening your App Store app and then search for ArcGIS Explorer. There it is. Go ahead and download. And then open. Continue without signing in. Now type in DOLS map, Division of Land Surveys map. It's one option. Click on it. It will default to Arkansas, and you can hit your location tool in the top right to center on your GPS location. You want to set it to use your GPS location when you're using it. So right now I'm demonstrating you can turn on the aerials. We have 2017, 2006, 1994, and the 1980s aerials. So here are the 2006. And let's look at the 1994 black and whites. And these are statewide. So let's look at some other features here. .5 minute quadrangle. These are the 7.5 minute topos. Turn that off. We can also measure, so it defaults to kilometers. You want to switch that to feet. You can roughly measure distances on the map. This is all with the touchscreen of the iPhone. So there's a section length nearly a mile. You can also measure areas. It's going to default to square kilometers. Change that to acres. There's 178 acres I just drew. You can also search for plats on the secured plat access if you have an account and are a registered surveyor, professional surveyor. So click on the secured plat access. Now click a section. Click on the no title pop-up and click on the hyperlink. Now type in your username. Password. Now it defaults to the main screen of the secured plat access. Now go back, click on the section again, and then click on the untitled link, and then the hyperlink. And there you go. Remember, you have to scroll to see all of the plats, and there are multiple pages in some locations. So I just clicked on the green download option. Now I'm clicking on the one just above it. There's the second plat for that section. Let's look at another one in that section. And these are in chronological order. I'm starting from the bottom and working up. So the first three we just looked at are the most recent three plats in this section. Now let's look at something else. Let's look at the parcels. So click any of the parcels, and you will get the parcel polygon attributes for that parcel. Improved value and acreage and everything else you would normally see. Let's turn those off. Now we're going to look at the GLO plats, or GLO notes actually. So it defaults turned on. So click on it and go into the pop-up and click the URL to the subdivisional notes. Back up so you can kind of see the whole township or more of the township. Looking at the index on the subdivisional notes, we are between section 30 and section 19. Let's see if we can find that original section line division notes. And there it is, between section 19 and 30, right there in the middle. So that is the true line surveyed. Set a section corner post, and then the next line intersected the range line, 123 links south of the standard corner. Alright, let's look at the 5-foot contours. These are also statewide. As you zoom in, more contours become in view. Let's turn those off. Now we're looking at the 1980s aerials. These are also statewide, and they are surprisingly good for 40-year-old aerials. They're very accurately geo-referenced and have decent resolution. Let's turn that off. Let's clear out all of the aerials and look at the address points. This is the layer containing all of the address points statewide. Now let's look at the roads. This comes in handy when you have an aerial on and you cannot see the default map road names in the background. You can overlay a separate road layer. Okay, now we're going to look at the NGS control. Now this is a horizontal control station on top of a mountain. Click on the more data from the geodetic control list. This will link you to the NGS data sheet. You can see the designation West Pinnacle. Highly accurate lat long position. Let's look at another control list, or control layer. This is the PLSS corner control. Click on the point, click on corner certificate, view the URL, and this is the filed certificate for that section corner, 1981. There are the 4 references to the section corner, and there's a description of the set aluminum pipe, 2.5 inch diameter, 30 inches long. There's a diagram of the monument cap. Now let's look at the RDOT GPS control. There are about 7,000 points statewide. We also have URLs for each data sheet set up for these. Click on the URL. There is the RDOT data sheet. So you've got the location description, you've got latitude and longitude, you've got northing and easting, date set, and method of monument being set. And that's it. I hope that was helpful, and thank you for watching.